what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Eddie G. I'm a street kind of photographer and documentary photographer, and today, or this next few kind of weeks, I'm in St. Croix in the US Virgin Islands. Kind of just on vacation, enjoying myself, having a good time off. This is just a family vacation that's currently going on. Kind of just in celebration for my father and his life. Because if you did not know, this is actually where my father is from. He was not born here, but he moved here when he was very young. He was actually born in Guyana and then moved to St. Croix and kind of just grew up here before he moved to the States and everything. I was not born here, but I visited here a few times, and yeah, just being back here now is it's interesting. It's significant, and this is only day like 3 that we've been here, and I'm really still kind of just really contemplating everything, you know, just taking my time, kind of just soaking it all in, kind of just capturing memories, creating memories, and just honoring, I guess, kind of creating in his honor. This is probably one of the best sandwiches I've ever eaten in my life. It's so juicy.
Turtle's Deli, the most expensive deli sandwich you will ever eat. So juicy and good.
I'm actually currently in Christiansted and just exploring around a lot. They have this like beautiful kind of waterfront, like where there's a lot of restaurants and ships. I mean, not ships, but like boats, yachts, and stuff. As you can see, hopefully we'll be traveling to like one of the islands here soon, one of these days, and hopefully I'll be able to bring you guys along on that journey as well. But just gonna continue to explore and just take some photos and kind of share this experience with you guys. So hope you enjoy it. I'm out with the Fuji today, the X100V, and if I'm feeling it, might whip out the M6 as well. So yeah, let's get back into it.
I just came off from a trip after 5 months.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I am sweating like a dog right now, but one thing I just really love like about this island and like Christiansted specifically is just the architecture. It's pretty different from Frederiksted. Like, look at this behind me, this beautiful alley, and I also just kind of love the kind of cobblestone design, the old, I can't think of the word of just like that type of architecture, but just that old style. I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so vibrant here. There's just so many colors. As you can see here, it's not just gray and boring like home. There's life and everything that just thrives here. So one like dilemma I'm kind of having while I'm out here is just disengaging like my mindset of being a street photographer and being able to just casually take photos. Obviously, like I said earlier, there's not a lot of people out on the streets because of the pandemic, and then just in general, like there's not usually a lot of people really walking around. They're usually at restaurants and whatnot. So yeah, really trying to just engage the more kind of leisure photograph. I can't tell if that was churled or actual rooster. Yeah, just disengage the mindset and really just take more leisure type photographs, architectural stuff, just the things kind of find beauty in around here. So I'm gonna continue to explore, see what we can find. Been photographing these last few days, really capturing just some beautiful stuff out on the water and whatnot. So really just want to capture photos that just have meaning to them, of meaning in the moment, meaning of the moment to them. So yeah. With all that said, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Just me kind of venturing around. Nothing too exciting. Just kind of capturing the environment and what it looks like. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.